Hi, this is Queen again from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you the different configuration settings that you can do with your Close CRM integration. So to start, first, while logged into your AEvent account, you have to open the campaign that you want to enable Close CRM for. So click on Campaigns from the left-hand side menu, and then click on the campaign to open it. And then over here on the left hand side, you just have to click on integrations. These are the different integrations that you can enable for your campaign. For the purposes of this video, we will be enabling Close CRM. So this one here, you just have to toggle the switch and it will prompt you if you want to customize the Close CRM. So just click on customize and that automatically enables it. And it opens up the close CRM settings. So here, these are the different things that can happen upon a successful opt-in of a lead. So you can select a lead status. You can set it to interested. So this lead could be interested. And then opportunity status, click on the drop down. Let's just select proposal sent. And you can also type in or enter the opportunity value here in dollars. So I'll just put in 47. And then you can put in your opportunity note. So, and then you can put in a task note. All right. So once these are all selected, this will be applied to the lead upon successful opt-in. And over here on the lower part, you'll see here the different custom fields that can be sent over to Close CRM upon a lead successful opt-in. So you just have to enable them. For example, you want to send the user or capture the user's join URL. So just put a check mark here. The value will be the join URL. So once lead opts in, the join URL will be sent over to your Close CRM. So you can select the different custom fields that you want sent over to your Close CRM from AEvent. Once you're done selecting the custom fields, just click on Update Settings here. So that would be all for this video. On the next video, I'll be showing you the different timeline actions that we can create using Close CRM while it is integrated to AEvent and enabled for your campaign. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.